The global electric power grid remains one of humanity's most impressive accomplishments. Unfortunately, the benefits of this amazing achievement are not equally realized around the world. In many countries, electricity is irregular, going out several times a week or even several times a day. While the electric power grid has exceptional potential to improve livelihoods, particularly for low-income communities, it needs to be reliable to incentivize investment in welfare-boosting, grid-reliant technologies. Many electric utility companies are unaware of power outages until a customer calls to report their power has failed. A lack of good data on the time, location, and root cause of outages delays repairs and makes it difficult to predict and prevent future failures. Researchers at the University of Michigan and the University of California, Berkeley have developed GridWatch, a technology that uses smartphones to monitor the health of the power grid. GridWatch is a smartphone app that automatically detects when and where power goes out. GridWatch alerts the utility the instant power goes out and tracks when and where blackouts spread. When your phone is plugged in and stops charging, GridWatch uses motion sensors to determine if the power has gone out or if you've simply unplugged and moved your phone. In tandem, GridWatch searches for nearby Wi-Fi networks which would disappear during an outage and leverages your phone's microphone to listen for the hum of power current nearby. When an outage is detected, GridWatch then sends a signal to the cloud, which aggregates data from every phone running GridWatch. For example, when a section of the grid fails, power goes out across nearby houses, and each of these houses loses power, and reports an outage using GridWatch at about the same time. The GridWatch cloud continuously monitors all outage reports in real time, looking for such patterns, enabling high-confidence outage detection and providing rich data on how blackouts spread over time and space. If scaled, GridWatch can provide utilities with data critical for improving electric power reliability. Regional grid health reports will be made publicly available, generating a new quantitative tool for independent monitoring of grid performance. GridWatch is one of nearly 100 technology innovations coming out of the Development Impact Lab, a global consortium headquartered at the University of California, Berkeley. The lab supports research in the new field of development engineering, which couples advances in engineering with the social and economic interventions needed to reduce poverty at scale.